So yeah, my name is Owen Fox, and since switching to a raw vegan diet almost an entire month ago, with the exception of a few blanched cashew nuts, pretty much I've been just eating all raw, and I had 4 oat milk hot chocolates. So that's just me being honest and truthful, okay? I've had no rice, potatoes, pasta, beans, lentils, nothing. I've had raw vegan curry, like raw vegan curry sauce, or raw vegan like warm soup with even maybe 2 times with like garlic, ginger and turmeric, just warmed in the blender, but not heated, like not hot at all. It's still raw, all the nutrients intact. And I've also had lots of fair few salad and fruits, and my favorite is the super smoothies with like high in protein and amino acids, high in omega-3s, with flax, chia or hemp, often with blueberries or goji berries, and always with bananas and dates, and with some type of green leafy vegetable like kale or lettuce or spinach, or even if I have none of them, at least spirulina, as well as maybe vanilla protein powder, just add to taste, just a bit of that, organic as well. And I blend all that up and I have a super smoothie, high in calories, macronutrients, micronutrients, antioxidants. Yeah, I've been feeling fantastic, feeling very good, and my eye boogers, and almost no coating on my tongue, and very few eye boogers, if that's what they call the eye stuff coming out, the corner of my eye, either in the daytime or in the morning time. So yeah, a little bit, but definitely less than having cooked food. So highly recommend giving up the habit of cooked food. It really can be limitless, very addictive, very habit forming. Some people say like casting a spell on us, and yeah, if you want to reach your highest potential, definitely eat a raw vegan diet with all the nutrients intact and no toxins created. So I just wanted to say you're worth it, and you can still gain muscle and weight and strength and much more youthful looks eating a raw vegan diet. There may be a temporary period where you go through detox for a few weeks to months, potentially, depending on the person and their past history and what the state of their body is like and their past diet, where they may lose some weight or look a little bit worse possibly for a while, but that'll not pass and you come flying out the other end with flying colours. So that's all I want to say in this video. I want to encourage you and highly recommend eating a raw vegan diet. Really good for your mind and your emotions and your youth and your longevity and your creativity. It's sensational. And if you feel like you're just not feeling good on it, definitely eat more calories, more micronutrients. Get those super smoothies into you, very high in omega-3s, calories and micronutrients, protein and amino acids as well, and nourish yourself. Don't be limiting yourself, and I promise you, you'll feel amazing. So there is click on the links below, you've got 2 of my free books and 2 free video courses and a free workshop monthly, all as a gift on my community website, to join other like-minded souls on a healing path, mentally, emotionally, spiritually and physically. And there is also a video course that will be added at some point soon on physical healing, detoxification, fasting, and becoming your greatest version physically, because the whole video course right now is about like emotionally, spiritually, mentally, with relationships, healing from past trauma, inner child healing, self-awareness, how to practice self-love, spiritual practices made simple, meditations, affirmations, relationship skill and advice, preparing yourself for or transforming a relationship with a higher vibration, more soulmate relationship instead of trauma bonding, and how to deal with triggers and conflict, and how to achieve your greatest version in the year 2024, because that's where I'm at. I've been doing this for 18 years. I've been doing all the whole vegan, raw vegan and self-healing from past trauma for the last 18 years. So I have a lot of experience, lots of relationship experience and parenting experience. So lots and lots of trigger experience and healing physical experience. So I'll be your mentor or guide and coach, and I love to be, because it's my life it's my life calling, it's my responsibility, and you have my full commitment to be your mentor and to help you as best as I can. I've walked the walk, I've had my knocks, falls, losses and grievances, money, health, relationships, well as loss of people, like people dying in my life, all of those things. And I know what it's like. I've walked the walk, and I'll be here to help you. So lots of love, my friends. My name is Owen Fox from Ireland, and please do click on the link below with the first pinned comment, or check out the description and just click on the link and join me there. And I look forward to seeing you and hearing from you, because we all need a community to be inspired, to be encouraged and supported, positive energy, like-minded people. Okay, well, thank you for watching, giving me your time and attention. Lots of love, and I just couldn't help make this video because it was so inspired. So take care and have a beautiful day. Make sure you grab all those 5 gifts that are waiting for you below, and make the commitment to make the change right now. Commit to yourself. You deserve it. Make 2024 the best year of your life.